Hey everybody, my name is Kayla Wyke, and today I am teaching you how to save a Zoom recording to your computer and share the recording through Dropbox. In this tutorial, I use the Zoom desktop app and I use the internet browser version of Dropbox. So to begin, open zoom.us, sign in. So before recording, make sure that your video files are saving to where you want them to save on your computer. Zoom also has an option to save videos through the Zoom cloud. Here's how you change your settings. Go to the gear at the top right of your Zoom app, and then your settings should pop up. Go down to recordings, and then press the box next to store my meetings. This option is showing you where your Zoom recordings are currently going. And if you want to change it, just choose a new location. Find on your computer where you want the videos to be saved at, and then press choose. I'm choosing to store my Zoom recording in the documents folder of my computer. Start or join a meeting. Start recording, and then you can stop recording. And there should be a notification that pops up that says, the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So when you end the meeting, your recording will automatically appear as an MP4 in the documents folder, which pops up after you end the call, or whatever folder you decide to save your Zoom recording to. The folder will be labeled with the recording's date, the meeting room name, and the meeting ID. Moving on to Dropbox, go to dropbox.com/home. Sign in, and on the right hand side of the home page, click Upload Files. Locate your Zoom folder, click it, and press Open. In the Zoom folder should be your video recordings. My recordings are labeled Zoom_0 and Zoom_1. In my case, I would like to share the file that says Zoom_0, and when I press open, the video now pops up in my Dropbox home. Place your mouse over the video you would like to share, and two options should come up: share and open. When you click share, a menu should pop up that allows you to email or add the contact information of someone who you want to share the video with. You can also give them different permissions, and you can create a link to the video. Let me know if this has helped you in the comments, or what else I can do to assist you in using Zoom. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.